Hello, everyone. We've had another great week. I just wanted to give you a quick tip on how to get documents to me. I get that asked a lot, and so I'll go over it real quick. I've got my screen open right now. I'm in Instanet. You can also use Form Simplicity. I just find Instanet to be a little more user-friendly, and I've known it for longer. Um, but let's say I wanted to go ahead and I've created a buyer rep agreement, and before my clients sign, I know I need to send it over to be reviewed. So if I've got, everything filled out here, I'm in the form in Instanet. So you can kind of see you've got this little toolbar across the top. All you have to do when you've made all of the changes that you want is to hover over this file, go to send, and then go to email. And you can also, any other documents that are part of that transaction that you've created can also be reviewed at the same time. So if my RE21 was ready to go, if I had an addendum or an RE50, like a delayed possession agreement that I wanted to attach, I could check all of those to be reviewed at the same time before I shoot them off to it, then assign for my clients to sign. So I just need the RE14 reviewed, so I can go ahead and just check that, click OK. It's going to ask, the only thing you have to worry about, all of this other stuff is not as important. Don't check the box to allow for editing of forms. It creates a much bigger file. And if I'm like on the go, out to dinner or something like that, it takes forever for that to download. And I won't edit your forms anyhow. So you can just send as a link or send as an attachment. Either one works. You don't have to worry about sending me a little note or anything. Just go ahead and put Silvercreek Contract Review at Gmail. It'll come right to me, and I'll be able to look at it real quick. If you're up against a time crunch, please shoot me a text. Even send me a text when you start writing your documents, or even 2 hours before when the buyers are telling you, this is it, we have to make an offer. Let me know as soon as you know, so that we can make sure our schedules match up and you're not waiting, or anxiety is rising because you don't think that I know that there's a document that needs to be reviewed. I'm pretty good about being quick, so just give me a heads up. But it's pretty darn simple. Then after we've talked, you'll have this form open. Maybe you decide, oops, I did this date wrong here, and it really needs to be today's date, not, a date in the past. And so we get that changed and updated. Once that happens and I give you the thumbs up, then all you have to do is go up here to the pen, and it will work you through all the steps you need to create a signing, add the correct participants, and get that off to your client so that you can email it to the other agent. That's the other question I get a lot is, how do I get the signatures from the seller? Am I adding them to the signing? AuthentiSign is just for you and your client. It's a convenience, right? Once you have those documents signed, then you're going to download a PDF and you're going to email it to the other agent. They worry about their own people and getting signatures. So hopefully that's helpful. Connect some dots for you, and have a great weekend. Thanks.